Hi, we're the Frame Group service technician that cycled your lead tank with agitation. Before powering up the machine, it is recommended that you read the manual in its entirety. The manual will be placed at the machine when it is shipped. The power is currently set for 3-phase, 480 volts. A recommended field service technician will assist with the training and setup of the machine. For all of your field service requirements, please contact our field service manager.